In this video, we're going to be looking at substitution. Substitution is where we insert a number for a variable. For these set of questions, we're saying that x, the variable, has a value of 3. The question is asking us for the value of these 4 expressions. These can also be equations, but for this example, we'll just be looking at expressions. So whenever we substitute, it's a good habit to put the value you're going to substitute into a bracket. So here we have 3 plus x. We know that x is 3. So we can write 3 plus brackets 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 3 plus x has the value of 6. Let's have a look at the second one, 2 minus x. So we will write 2 minus brackets 3. 2 minus 3 equals minus 1. So the value for this expression is minus 1. Our third one is saying x to the power of 2. So we put 3 in brackets, squared. 3 squared has the value of 9. And finally, we'll have a look at this. X squared plus x. So we put 3 in brackets, squared, plus 3. According to the rules of BIDMAS, we have to do indices first. So 3 to the power of 2 is 9. And 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, I would like you to do this question. X has a value of 5 and A has a value of 2. What is the value for these set of expressions? Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers for the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Hopefully you are confident in questions on substitution. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share the video.